Can you feel it?
Yo, Monkey, it's me, and you're listening to Triple Threat Sports, and that's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. Bang!
Hey, I'm Mia Lee, and you're watching Triple Threat Sports.
Hey, what's going on? This is HJB, representing Triple Threat Sports, and I'm here to talk about the Ronda Rousey fight. Alright, so we all know that Ronda Rousey kicked the living crap out of Cat Zingano last night at UFC 184 in 14 seconds. So I want to know if I can eat this banana in 14 seconds. I'm here to try to eat this banana in 14 seconds. And I have my sister with me. She's going to keep the time to see if I can do it. Alright, so I'm going to open it first. And then when I say go, my sister's going to press the start button. Go.
Start.
Time.
Damn it. Alright, so I was not able to eat a banana in 14 seconds, which means that Ronda Rousey can defeat someone faster than I can eat a banana in 14 seconds. Now, this is HJB, representing Triple Threat Sports, and I'm out.